Okay, so this is the last technology that I had found, and this is brand new. I haven't used it at all, but I think it could be super useful. Right now, this is why. Right now, I haven't found an easy, free tool to communicate with parents about their students, and I'm currently using Remind, but it limits the size of the message you can send without paying for Remind. This Klassly lets you send messages. I don't have anybody in this class, but it lets you send messages, and you can even do attendance and put homework on here. And I haven't sent it out or set it up completely yet because some stuff's going on, and I don't know if I'll be able to even finish the school year. And so I didn't want to send out a letter to parents and have them join this and then not be able to use it. But I think this could be super useful, and I'm kind of looking forward to getting to use it. The underlying purpose of the tool is to make it easier and faster to communicate with parents in my title groups, either as a group or individually. Since we started using Flipgrid videos with the third graders, it's kind of time consuming to send individual emails. If I could just go to one place and have their number here, click on it and send it, that would be easier. Plus I still have to look up the individual emails instead of them joining my classroom, and I can just reach them through there. The intended audience is mainly parents. This could also be used on the kids as well, the students as well. So that's another neat thing about it. And it does, I mean, you can pay to get more, but you can do so much with the free one that, I really don't feel like I'd be pressured to have to pay the $20 a year to do that. But this is really good too, and it's not that expensive. So, but anyway, okay, so the ISTE standards are 2.4D. Demonstrate cultural competency when communicating with students, parents, and colleagues, and interact with them as co-collaborators. Here we could share fluency reads, coding pages, and spelling practice in an easy way. And teachers and parents could give me their input on how they feel like things are going. And then 2.6A is foster a culture where students take ownership of their learning goals and outcomes in both independent and group settings. And sharing work with parents helps hold students accountable for their success during their time. Sharing their fluency reads with their parents has been extremely exciting for my third graders, and really has them trying harder because they know their parents are going to get to see it. So that's been really fun. But my time's up. This is my last one. Thank you.